Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart a metal detector. In this case it's a Garrett Ace 300i, and the only reason I'm taking this one apart is to sort of dull down the sound of the little speaker in there, because it's really loud and there's no volume control for it. So I'll show you how I get inside here, and this might be useful as well, say if you have one of these or another model of the same type of detector and maybe it needs repair or something. So I'll go ahead and start showing you how to take this apart. Okay, so the first thing you want to start doing is to undo the coil. Okay, so the next step is to undo these two screws here, and that will take this unit off the whole assembly of the detector, and it will make it easier to work on. Okay, so now that's removed, you can see it's a lot easier to just work on this piece on its own. And the next step will be to take the batteries out. So I'm just going to turn this over, slide the cover off. Okay, just pop these batteries out. Okay, so now the batteries are removed, we need to undo two screws here. So there's one there and one there. And with those screws removed, we now need to turn that over, and you'll see the 2 points where the coil is joined on and the headphone socket, and you need to basically unscrew the nuts that hold them on. I use a pair of pliers for that, so I'll just unscrew those. There's actually a washer as well, so once you've taken it off, you can remove the washer that's underneath it and set that aside. Same with the headphone socket. There you go. So there's the nut washer. Once you've removed those, you can then actually take the unit apart. So it'll just come apart here, and now you can see the only wire holding these two parts together now is the wire that goes from the circuit board to the speaker in there. And the speaker, what doesn't normally look like this, is because I've already been in there and I've put some tape around it and put some foam inside to dull the sound down. If you need to remove that speaker, you need to undo this screw here, and then you can get that speaker out of there. And these two parts, this whole part here is only joined to the battery terminals here. So when you undo that, it takes those two springs out with it as well. So, but that's easy to put back in again after. You can unclip that if you want to remove that completely away from that. I'm going to leave it on there for now. So if you want to actually take this circuit board off to look at the back end of it, there are two tabs to push in, one here and one there. And when you basically push them in here and here, and lift the circuit board up, it will come away. I can't do this with only one hand, so I'm going to try and do that and then show you. Okay, so I've loosened the two tabs here and here, and then I can just pivot this upwards and away from the rest of the unit. So that's the other side of the circuit board here. These are obviously where the buttons pressed, and that's the screen, the back side of the solder joints. So there you go. If that would need repair, that might be useful to be able to get in there and check anything out. So Obviously putting this back together is just a reversal of what we did, so hopefully that might be useful to somebody. So if you like my channel, please do subscribe and like and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.